It was a great opportunity.
It was a good opportunity to us, young scientists.
I was expecting a much more expository workshop, but instead I found a space with a lot of participation and discussion about the different topics.
The workshop not only met all my expectations, but exceeded them.
It was really an all-encompassing interaction that did justice to the subject matter.
I really like the debate and the exchange.
What I like most is the experience sharing among different scientists.
Having now a better knowledge on the Biological Weapon Convention empowers me to be a multiplier of its values and its importance.
This workshop also serves as a venue for us to widen our network.
I like the session which discussed on dual-use research. I understand with the technology that we have nowadays, people are growing more and more concerned that scientific experiments can turn rogue.
I would highly recommend this workshop to any young professional, young policy professional working in the biosecurity area in the Global South.
Merci Nations Unies Bureau des Affaires du Désarmement. شكرا الأمم المتحدة مكتب شؤون نزع السلاح.